One is taken out English language book. Okay, beta. Now children do page 49. Today we will revise page 49 position words. Okay. So the one by one I will ask everyone. Agrim, open your microphone. Yes. Look at the picture and choose the correct option. Okay, you have to see the picture and on its basis you will tell me the answer. Okay, from the picture you will tell me the answer. And in sentence two options are given. You will tell answer from those options only. Okay. Number one, the ball is dash the table in front of the table or the ball is on the table.
In front of.
The ball is in front of. Very good. Agrima.
Yes, ma'am.
The ball is dash the floor. The ball is in the floor. The ball is on the floor.
On the floor.
Very good. Alisba. Alisba. Amira.
Yes, ma'am.
The lamp is in the table. The lamp is on the table.
On the table.
On the table. Okay. Very good. Next is Anika. Anika. Anugrah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anugrah. Tell me. Fourth one. The chair is near the table. You have to see the picture, Anugrah, and then tell me the answer. Okay. Page 49. Okay. The chair is near the table. The chair is in front of the table.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Alina.
Near the table. मैम ग्रामर तो स्टेप्स भी है
Okay, okay, okay. The chair is near the table or chair is in front of the table? Where is the chair? Anugrah? See the picture, page 49. See the picture, Anugrah, and then tell me the chair is near the table or the chair is in front of the table. What will be the correct answer?
Excuse me, ma'am, I have done.
Okay, beta, wait. Let me do this. Then I will see. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, I have done.
Wait, Agrima. Wait, beta. Okay. Now, Anugrah, tell me. Chair, beta. What you can see in the picture. Chair is near the table or the chair is in front of the table. Anugrah.
जी मैम.
What will be the answer? Near the table or in front of the table?
Near table.
Yes. Okay, next, Devyani.
Yes, ma'am.
The cat is in front of the sofa. The cat is under the sofa.
Cat in front of the sofa.
In front of the sofa. Very good. The next, Izan. Izan.
Yes, ma'am.
The books. Yes, beta, go. The books are on the table. The books are in the table.
On the table.
On the table. Yes, Anugrah?
May I drink water?
Yes, you drink water. Jason?
Yes, ma'am.
The painting is near the wall The painting is on the wall. What you can see in the picture, Jason? Painting is on the wall or painting is near the wall?
Near ball.
Near the wall? What is the answer, Jason? Musa?
Yes, ma'am.
The painting is on the wall. The painting is near the wall. Yes, Musa? Yes, the painting is on
Ma'am,
the
on
wall.
the ball.
Yes, beta.
On the ball.
Okay, beta. Okay. Okay, Naman. Now, Naman, tell me. The flowers are on the vase. The flowers are in the vase. In the vase. Very good. Pavki.
Ma'am, I have completed work.
Okay, beta. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Just now I will see all the work. Okay. Now, Pavki, tell me. The mat is in the floor. The mat is on the floor.
On the floor.
The mat is on the floor. Very good, Pavki. Next, Sanvi. Sanvi. Yes, Sanvi, tell me the cushion is on the sofa. The cushion is near the sofa.
Yes, ma'am. What do you say?
The cushion is on the sofa. The cushion is near the sofa.
On.
Yes?
On.
On. Yes.
On the sofa.
On the sofa. Okay, beta. The vase is in front of the table. The vase is on the table. Sarah.
Yes, ma'am. What is the question? Please repeat.
The vase is on the table. The vase is in front of the table.
The vase is on the table.
Yes, very good, Sarah. Sashwat.
Yes, ma'am.
The clock is near the sofa. The clock is behind the sofa.
Yeah.
Behind the sofa. Okay. Now, Abhiraj.
Ma'am, what is the question?
The mat is in the sofa. The mat is in front of the sofa.
In the.
Mat is in the sofa.
In front of.
Yes, in front of the sofa. Yes. Alaina,
Yes, ma'am.
the chair is on the floor. The chair is in the floor.
On the one.
Okay, beta. Very good. Now,
My work is completed, shall we?
okay. Now, one by one, I will see the work. Okay. Again, show me your work. Page 49, you have to do in your register. Revision register.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have completed.
Okay, beta. You show me your work. Agrim, you have done. Agrima has
Ma'am,
done.
I
Yes.
am
Very good, Agrima. Good. Now, Agrima is also done. Okay, Agrim. Amira has done. Good, Amira. Very good. Yes, Sarah. Show me your work. Sarah, show me your work. Naman. Yes, Naman has done. Very good, Naman. Sashwat has also done. Okay, Sashwat. Yes, beta, drink the water. Sashwat has also done. Who else has done? Alizba, Anugreh, Musa has done. Yes, Musa, show me your work. Good, very good. Okay, beta. Okay, Musa. Then next, who is there? Who else has done? Anugreh, you have done? Alizba, Anugreh, Abhiraj.
Not done. Ma'am is writing.
Sanvi, show me your work. Yes, beta.
हम लोग का इसके बाद ब्रेक होगा.
Which period?
राइटिंग देख लीजिए.
Yes. Sanvi, okay, Sanvi. Sashwat, show me your work. Yes, very good writing.
ब्रेक रहेगा.
Your writing is good, Sashwat. Good.
लंच ब्रेक रहेगा.
No, beta. There will be no lunch today.